It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Myfirstwig once again, same packaging as before, so let's get into it. So for today, obviously I'm seeing the wig first, and then a few goodies were in the box. I got the the invoice with all the info on the wig. I got some wig caps, and I also got this comb. Always love getting those rat tail combs, and a bag perfect for storage, and these come in really handy all the time. So for today's wig, I got is actually the short hair Yaki bob with curtain bangs glueless invisible lace wig from Myfirstwig, and it's 10 inches long, 130% in density, and the texture is Yaki straight. All right, it's a natural color. As you can see, it has a drawstring in the back. Love the construction. Any wig with a drawstring, I'm sold on it immediately because it makes the security of the wig 10 times better. It has an adjustable strap on the inside, and everything is fully customized, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked. You slip on and you can go if you wish. Okay, and that is what I love with these wigs. Myfirstwig is like definitely up there when it comes down to quality glueless wigs, and I never get tired of their wigs whatsoever. When you want to spend your money at a company that you know you're definitely gonna get good quality, this is one of them. Okay, look at the front of that wig, how natural it looks, super realistic. I love the length of this bob. Like, I love a good short bob. This is so cute. So I was just playing around with that, making sure that everything is lined up nicely with my hairline, and it looks really good. This is also very beginner friendly, so all my beginners, people who don't know anything about installing wigs and you want to try a wig, you're going to love this wig. If this is your type of vibe, like in terms of the look, like a nice Yaki straight bob, you're gonna love this wig. All you need to do is adjust the drawstring in the back there, by adjusting the knob with how tight or loose you want it to be, and you tuck away the extra string beneath the cap. You use the smaller bit to lock in the bigger knob in place so that it doesn't shift, and you just tuck that away and you're good to go. I love it so much. The construction is a 10 out of 10. This is perfection. And once you adjust that, like, your wig will not shift, it will not slip, it will not move, and that's exactly what we need. All right, and then after that, no, I pretty much just played around with the wig. Now you see how good it looks right off the bat. If you don't have any time to style, you could pretty much just go ahead and wear it just as is, because it looks so nice and natural. But you guys know me, I went in and I got my hot comb to lay the top super flat, and I did go through the entire wig with my flat iron, and that was all it was to it for me.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love and made yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
And yeah, that is pretty much it for me going through the entire wig with my flat iron. I gave the front there a nice little bump, so you could choose to bring the bangs further in your face because it is a curtain vibe construction. And I love the way it looks. Like, it's so pretty. It is such a gorgeous wig, man. 10 out of 10. I didn't get any shedding, by the way. I know over time you'll get shedding, but for it to not shed, like not even one strand, was amazing. Very impressive. So I love that. And then yeah, that was pretty much it. So if you guys want this wig, it's linked in my description box. You can find all the specifications there. Shout out to Myfirstwig for today's gorgeous wig look. I was feeling myself 100% with this. It's so nice. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.